In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and edit your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This will empower you to personalize your online presence with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to recover it on the login page, so don't worry. Once you're logged in, the exciting journey of editing your site begins. From your dashboard, look for your specific site and click Edit Site. This will direct you to the editor where all the magic happens. Now in the editor, you'll likely notice a header area displayed prominently at the top of your site. It's important because it's often the first thing visitors see when they land on your page, and hover your mouse over this header section and you'll see the word header appear. Go ahead and click on it. A nifty little toolbar will pop up giving you a range of customization options. From the header toolbar, you want to access Quick Edit, which is your gateway to making immediate changes. Select the Change Header Design, or depending on the template you're using, it might say Change Background. Click on this option. The dialog box that appears will allow you to enhance your header with a new design or background. To set the visual tone, click on Image. If you have a specific vision or an image ready, you can go ahead and use Upload Media to select your own image. And alternatively, if you're looking for inspiration or something professional and free, explore the Wix Free Media section where you'll find a range of stock images suitable for various themes and purposes. Once you find the perfect image that resonates with the feel of your website, click Apply. You're almost there. Before making things official, it's wise to preview your changes. By clicking Preview, you get a sneak peek of how your new background or header design looks in real time. Check that everything appears as expected and complements the overall theme of your site. If adjustments are needed, you can make them before publishing. Satisfied with the new aesthetic? Great! Simply click Publish to make your changes live. Remember, your edits won't reflect on the main site until you publish them, so this is a crucial step. Finally, click Done to finalize everything. Congratulations! You've not only enhanced your website visually, but you've also gained confidence in using Wix's interface. Keep experimenting and personalizing your site to better reflect your unique style and brand. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!